Come on, girls. Come on. Let's go. You girls are lagging back there. Yin, you're holding up the show. Hi, kids. Celine. War paint. And there's Lynn. Still one more goat out there that my sister's releasing from the fence. Do you need help? Go! Everybody's waiting for you. People drive by when the goats are eating by sticking their head through the fence. And then they honk at the goats to purposefully scare them. And then the goats forget that they're actually able to get out of the fence. So we had to rescue them. Come on, guys, let's go. Hello, boys. Stompy. You have such a feminine little snitter that you do. Radar, leave him be. Come on, guys, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on, Wiggles. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Chia. Wiggles, come on. Come on, let's go. All you goats that think you're people. Come on, the rules do still apply. You gotta go in for the night. You can't stay out at night. Come on, Wiggles. Miss Sunshine Wiggles, go. You're such a diva. Let's go. A. Sib, move. Tawny, go. Don't reopen the gate. Whoops. There. Cody. No, you don't actually want the attention? Person. Just because I don't respond fast enough doesn't mean you need to try eating me. Bean. Well, I'm going to get jumped on by Puff. Hi, honey. Are you jealous because I'm petting her instead of you? I only have one hand. Sorry. All right, I need both hands to catch our milkers.